Whoa. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Night Rider. That's the Night Rider music. AP and Josiah. The Night Riders. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Yeah, that's right. It's late at night. And I'm doing my thing. AP. Say, oh, 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 oh.
Oh, 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 oh.
That's right. That's the call for the crew. You know, I spend so much time in my house. I don't even realize how big the houses are in our community. I don't even realize it. There's big houses out here. But I be in the house so much. And when I'm in the house all day, I'm like, I don't have enough space. I need a bigger house. I need a bigger house. I need more rooms. But guess what? Outside, there's more room.
It's more room.
Right? If you spend more time outside, you'll see there's more room.
Right.
But I still think I need a bigger house, though.
I still get out some baby.
Need like another. Well, you know what? I'm using bedrooms. I got a bedroom that's a closet. I got a bedroom that's a recording studio. So I need a house that has a couple more rooms. So my recording studio, so my movie theater, so my, well, which room would I put my pool table in?
3 of
Like a
them.
man cave?
What's
3
a
rooms?
man cave?
Yeah, I need like 3 or 4 more rooms. If I get like 3 more rooms, and like I said, my recording studio, my movie room, and then what about a room dedicated just for video production? I need that too, so somebody find me that house. But in the meantime, I'm enjoying my life. It's a blessing. And I love it. I love spending time with my sons, right, Josie? Why so many haters be saying silly stuff in videos? What are you doing? I'm spending time with my son. I could do whatever I want with my children. I spend time with my sons, my children. Who are you spending time with? Your hand? Like, come on. Trolls. People be jealous of everything. I mean, everything. It's just some people, they just mad. They not happy with their lives. But I'm happy with my life. Happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. One in a billion. 1 in a billion. And when you see me, say, oh, 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 oh. All right.